episode of Dame's TV. This is Dame's Creator by another video, and today we are unboxing today's package. I may or may not have to stop putting music on my videos when I edit because I feel like the music is taken away from me speaking, and I'm speaking a lot. I'm talking a lot in my videos, so unfortunately, the music has to go. I don't know. Like, I was working hard on making sure music is in my videos, but right now, the music is just like not. It's overpowering my voice. So for right now, it won't be any music like playing in the background. You know, you'll probably just hear this or whatever. I started doing music to like drown this back here. Oh no, yeah, this is my rainbow. It's covering up my anger issues. But anyway, let me pause this real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, today we are currently looking at some stuff from Shop Miss A. I spent almost up to $7 on this, and today I bought a lip liner, lip gloss, and a lip crayon. So let's start with the lip liner. This is AOA Wonder Lip Liner in the color Vintage. I absolutely love this. I am going to swatch it for you guys so you guys can see the color, and I may have to turn the camera. Sure, let me see if you guys can see it. It don't look. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. It looks like I got like a weird mark or something, but trust me, this is the color. I'm actually gonna bring it back in a little bit. You might not be able to see it, so I'm gonna add a little bit more like shading to it. Yeah, so it looks like that. Nice little. I think it's like a red color, like a maroon almost. And of course, you want to knock yourself over. And I love how that looks. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you rock this. Excuse me, doggone hand sanitizer. But yeah, I absolutely wanted to get a lip liner because I haven't had a lip liner in a long time, and I think this is really nice. It's very sleek. Of course, I always have a thing for like reds and stuff like that, so it's absolutely amazing. Next, we got the She Makeup Lip Gloss in the color Clear. Now, when I first saw this on Shop Miss A's website, I kind of noticed that this was, it looked bigger, of course, in the picture. But when I got it today, it was a tad bit small, but it's actually compact. It could fit in your purse, and it actually looks pretty good. There is no swatching with this one. I mean, we all know what clear lip gloss looks like. It has an okay smell. I love the brush. It's very nice. The liquid is absolutely beautiful, and this will last me for at least a year, which is really good. They have another one. I think it's like a white gloss. It's clear and there's glitter. I actually wanted the clear lip gloss because I actually want to start using clear lip gloss, even though I'm a matte freak. But I actually want to start incorporating lip gloss back into my makeup routines. And since Halloween is approaching, I kind of want to get all my makeup stuff like ready to go. So yeah, look forward to seeing me use this or maybe some behind the scenes video or whatnot. But let's go on to the last and final product for this video. Today we're looking at AOA Studio Special Day Lip Crayon, and this is in the color Honeymoon. I never owned a lip crayon before, and this is my first one. This is a really dope color. It's a mauve. You know what I mean? You know, mauve is one of my most favorite colors to look at, and this is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's almost like close to my skin tone, which is dope and amazing. And this is mauve. Gorgeous. Each each makeup, each piece of like lipstick or makeup pieces that you see from Shop Miss A, everything is under $1. All you gotta do is pay the particular shipping. I think right now they're doing a $1 shipping sale, so you can get all your items for at least $1. So yeah. But as far as me getting makeup, I am so happy that I got this because This is one of my most favorite things to like review and stuff, and I absolutely love this. So that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. And click the notification bell to be notified of all of my videos. And what else? I did a review on this. This was part of the most recent unboxing of today's package prior to this one. So if you want to know more about this product right here, head over to the first link in the description. It has everything that I reviewed, from gaming controllers to makeup, and also the most recent one that I did, which is stuff from Pinch Me, I believe. Yeah. No, that's Pinch Me. Was it Pinch Me? I'm gonna pause. So the most recent one was the SD Lauder swatches and the Smash Box samples. So please go ahead and check that out. I will see you all next time. Bye.